What should I cook? What should I cook? What should I cook? What is all this junk in my fridge? No idea what to cook. I have no idea what I wanted to make, but I opened the freezer and this is all that I found. So we're going to be making something with chicken breast today. So I have chicken breast and I made rice yesterday, so I don't know, the only thing I'm thinking that I could make is maybe some, what is this? Pasta? Some kind of chicken pasta. Some Christophine, a sweet pepper, a seed, a carrot. Let's figure out what we can make with this. No idea. Got onion, carrot, Christophine, sweet pepper, some piece of cabbage, pasta, chicken. This is one of those days I have no idea what to cook. I just grab stuff from the pantry cupboard, the freezer, and the fridge, and just put together something. I ended up grabbing up some garlic too, and some fresh thyme that I have. Grab some oyster sauce, some sesame oil, and I don't know what to make. I'm thinking some kind of, I'm not even sure, maybe you could do some kind of Asian style something. No idea, guys, this happens sometimes. So I could use some Chinese seasoning, some 5 spice in there, and some chili flakes. Let's see what we come up with. So I'm not going to be using the full box in this, I'll just use half, and I'm thinking that I could use half the amount of this breast chunk as well. So let's see, we have the water heating here, waiting for that to come to a boil, and then I'm going to add the linguine to it, and then I'll just cut up everything, prepare it, and just throw everything in one pot. One of those days you just don't know what to make in the kitchen. Just grab up anything and I'm sure you could come up with something pretty delicious. Just have fun with it. It's just gonna basically be preparing everything, all the veggies. You know, sometimes when you get home, sometimes like for me, I just feel lazy, no idea what to make, and just literally put together something and just call it as some kind of dish. Alright guys, so I have all the veggies chopped up. This is like a fast thing. See, I even have just grated the garlic into it too. I'm just going to add all of that to the pot when I'm ready. So I see my water is like almost a boil here, so I'm just going to add the pasta and cook it according to the package instructions, and then I'm just going to cut up like half of this amount into smaller pieces. So the chicken slice up here already, trying to figure out, just going to season it. I do not just pull out some soy sauce from the fridge. I'm just going to add some of the 5 spice powder, some of the Chinese seasoning, keeping it pretty simple, and we'll add like the other sauces and stuff to the pot when you throw everything in together. And while the linguine boiling, we're just going to whip up everything, and I'm going to throw in my chicken. And adding the vegetables one time. I'm going to cover it, and I'm just going to let it cook through a little bit. And the linguine should be finished in a few minutes. And like if I find it sticking, I'm just going to add some of the water from the linguine pot. I'm just going to add it in. Smelling good though. So now I'm going to do a little lazy man kind of thing. So I'm taking the pasta linguine straight out of the pot. Ouch, don't let it burn you, and just adding it into the pot because I don't feel like straining it. Alrighty, and now I am adding chili flakes, some sesame oil, oyster sauce because I found it in the kitchen pantry, some fresh thyme, and some Chinese seasoning. This has salt already in it, so I wouldn't need to add any more salt. And let's make this up and hope that it tastes good. Oh, I'll add some parsley to it too. So this is like a Asian sort of inspired dish, I guess. But you know, the point is just to show you guys it's not really that hard. It's just put together something to eat. So just to make it pretty nice, if you had fresh pasta, you can add it in, but I don't think I have any. So I'm just going to add some dried one. Now it's smelling real good. And if you want some color, you can add the soy sauce, but I think this is fine. Some kind of pasta we just made for dinner there, guys. Alright guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. It's just some linguine, whole grain linguine pulled out from the pantry cupboard. Just grab some chicken chunks from the freezer, some vegetables added in with some soy sauce, some sesame oil, oyster sauce, whatever sauce you have in your fridge or in your pantry, just try it, just add it. And this is what dinner is going to be. So yeah, I know it happens to some of us, you know, we're not sure what to cook, but like I keep telling you guys, experiment, just have fun with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and could relate to my not sure what to cook sort of scenario. So I'll check you guys in the next video.